Namaskaram. Welcome to Astrological Life, and I am Kadiravan Madhavan, Vembayam, Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. And today we are going to discuss about how astrology influences in everyone's life. Astrology is a science. You can guess or judge or get an advice from an astrologer how your future and present are now. That is the main thing, because what the future holds for you, whether it's good or bad. What are the mysteries behind your life? What are the problems you are getting rising? You may have got good health, good wealth, and everything, but your mind is not within you. What can you do? You can't do anything. The first of all, a person needs healthy. Health wise is the major thing in one's life, and second, health and wealth. So if you have two things, you will have general happiness and inner peace. If you don't have both things, everything get problem. So that how can we identify these things? It can be done by the old traditional method of Vedic astrology. If you go to an astrologer, if you give your date of birth and time of birth and place of birth, they will make the calculations, and you will get your star and moon sign. From that, all the predictions are done. If the good planets are in good positions, you will get everything to your life to time. So if an evil planets are occupied in good positions, you will get more problems than any other thing. So how can we identify both things? That is the most important. You may have got much good education, you may have got much good wealth, but you can't get a good career. Why this is happening? So knowing the limitations through astrology, you want to lift up. It's just like a child is getting only 40% of marks and he is not doing well. What we do as a parents, we will give much more guidance so that he can make at least to get above 60 or 80. Well, if he is doing well, he can get 100, isn't it? Not more than near to 100. So that's what. So no, if you are not listening to that child, what happens? He will be always lagging his marks. And so if you found that one, it is okay, perfect, we have to pay much attention to that one, you can do everything like that. If you have got problems, you just may understand your potential and why this is getting lagging. I'm not going to sit idle. I want to change my life. How can you change your life? If you know that only you can change your life, because the faith always wins. The faith never loses. It's just like a tsunami. It's going to come. That is fate. We can't change that thing. It's just like a rain. It's going to fall. We can't change it. But when you keep an umbrella, you can go through your desire or destiny, whatever. So like that, know your thing, and fate we can change the fate by keeping faith. You should have faith and beliefs in you. If you can't believe yourself, who will believe you? So the beliefs, once you want to get into belief, for believing yourself, you need prayers. That's what all the temples, all the pandits and everyone in churches, mosques and everyone in temples, everywhere, the prayers are given much importance. So what we are discussing about that, know your limitations. If something is not happening to you, you make it to get happen. Don't sit idle in your house and wasting your time. There are 7.8 billion peoples are there in this world. The whole population. Not everyone is the same. There is a small change within this finger system that can change everyone. There are 7.8 billion patterns in this world, isn't it? So we are the one of the patterns. If you want to clear everything, we should create our own patterns by knowing these limitations. That's what our ancestors are, because in 18th century only the telescope has been invented. But before that, without telescope, using these telescopes, our ancestors found all the 9 planets, and about more out of these stars, they found the 27 stars. So that's come in. We can change our name or religion, anything, but we can't change our birth time. Through that time, we will get because. And I also have another thing, a child born, giving birth in this place cannot be in the same second. There may be, because as per latitude, longitude, it changes. So like that everything changes, but know your limitations and lift up everything, you can get into success. That's what the influence of astrology in your means, in your system, in your body, in your mind, in you. And in my future updates and future videos, we are going to discuss about the 12 rashis and their planetary positions, how they are favoring you or just giving you problems. We will discuss in the future updates. And to get predictions in English, Malayalam and Tamil, you can call me on the given contact number. Namaskar.